I always thought I was a city girl, but this trip changed everything. When you meditate in nature, you realize that even in your stillness, so much life is happening around us. Buen dia, buen dia. I'm wearing my bee shirt today, and I got this little thing yesterday. Today, we are going to a bee house. Is that what it's called? There's a bunch of beehives. We're gonna see different species of bees. I'm excited for today. I'm feeling pumped, and I've never done something like this. So shout out to nature, shout out to honey, shout out to the beehive.
This like this cut the communication between the bees and the soldiers. They can communicate to each other.
Understanding the dynamics of a beehive blew my mind. Everything is in harmony, naturally. Maybe life is like that. Of course, as humans, we pride ourselves in making things happen. But isn't it funny how life happens irregardless of us? Some seasons are for letting life unfold and just saying yes to what comes your way. That's part of a bigger harmony. I busted my ass. I was having so much fun, and I busted it. And I have a pimple. What the actual fuck? Car done been fucked up. Falling showed me that I can do things afraid. I didn't let the fear stop me from enjoying the ride.
That's good.
Yeah, see? I made it. Even the architecture was nature forward. The whole town just feels like an exhale. I didn't bring my laptop because I don't want to edit on this trip. I figured spare the weight and just come here to relax. This is so beautiful. The owner said that she built this only like 7 months ago, but she's been living here for 25 years. Yeah, she did her big one here. There are definitely mosquitoes everywhere. Good thing I brought Benadryl because them bitches be eating me up. Fresh food, good company. What up? I'm home. Buen dia, my beautiful people. You know when I have the moo on, it's serious. Our Airbnb host is literally a saint. She brings us breakfast every morning. I don't know what she made for us today. I don't know what this is. It seems like it's made out of corn and eggs and, you know, of course, cheese. They love cheese here. Last night, I bought hiking shoes. I know it's gonna be annoying because it's the first day and I haven't broken them in, but I only have these Sorel shoes that I've been wearing everywhere, and they're not equipped for the waterfall and for hiking. We're seeing waterfalls or cascadas. It's gonna be fun. Janice will be there too, so another fun day. No, I'm not going to sell all my things and go off the grid, but I see the appeal. Seeking stillness in nature is now part of my self-care routine. You don't have to fly to Colombia. Maybe you make friends with a tree, park, a lake. Anything to connect you to the rhythm of the natural world. Your nervous system depends on it.